To the AI app Accelerator Claude Code Edition. I am so happy to have you here. I'm Alex Finn. You're in the absolute right place to be. I'm just going to get straight into it. We have so much to cover. Before we start building, I'm going to get into what we're going to cover in this course, everything involved. So let's get straight into it. By the end of this course, you'll have many things accomplished. Number one, you will master Claude Code inside and out. I've been using Claude Code nonstop since it launched every single day. I'm going to go over every part of it inside out, every feature, how to use it, and how to get the absolute most out of it. You're going to have a complete working full stack app built out beginning to end, even if you've never coded before. Front end, back end, database, AI capabilities, everything completely built out. We're going to put it on the web. You're going to monetize it. You can potentially start making money off it. You will have a full app and business built out by the end of this course. I guarantee it. And the best part of this, the part of this that's going to pay the most dividends for the rest of your life, is you will be able to go from idea to full working product in business anytime you want for the rest of your life. You will be able to take any idea you come up with and turn it into a reality all on your own. And that is massive. Do not underestimate that. Not many people on planet Earth can say they can do that. On top of that, we're going to cover everything around building an app as well. The marketing, the getting feedback, the listening to your users, everything, every part about building and launching a full stack application we are going to cover as well. Now, why are you taking this course? Why am I giving it? Well, the opportunity right now is absolutely incredible. Never in the history of mankind, in the last 8 billion years, have you been able to go from idea to product faster than you can right in this moment. This is an unbelievable opportunity. There are zero barriers. This is the best part. It is complete democratized success. Anyone with any skill level, no matter how little you've coded or built before, can go from idea to products now. It has never been that way. Before, if you wanted to build a website during the dot-com boom era, you needed to know how to code, you need to know how the technology worked, the internet worked. Now you don't need those skills. Because of AI, you can build anything you want at all. You have infinite knowledge and intelligence at your fingertips 24/7. Right now, at this moment, every industry, every company, every person is trying to figure out how to incorporate AI into their workflows. You, by the end of this course, will have it fully incorporated, fully mastered. You'll not only be able to build your own products, you'll be able to help other people and other companies incorporate AI as well. You're going to have one of the most valuable skills on planet Earth right now nailed. So who am I? Why am I qualified to give this course to you? I discovered vibe coding in early 2024 when Cursor released. I started using it the moment it came out, and I was blown away. And I instantly knew it was going to be the future of technology. I took Cursor. I started building out my own application to analyze my own content and posts. I love Twitter. I love creating content on Twitter. I wanted an AI to analyze all my content. So I started creating a tool. I called that tool Creator Buddy. I turned that into a business. It is now a $300,000 a year business. Within minutes, it was at $100,000 ARR. Within a week, it was at $200K ARR. Now it's at $300K. I built the tool completely by myself, 0 lines of code written, all with AI. And now I have one of the biggest vibe coding media companies in the entire world. My YouTube at the time of this recording is at 50,000 subscribers. Hopefully by the time you watch this, it'll be much larger than that. I have an AI vibe coding newsletter called Ship It. That's at 40,000 subscribers. So I have basically built my entire career around vibe coding. Here is what we are going to cover in this entire course. We're going to cover the tools you need, primarily Claude Code. I'll tell you why Claude Code right after this. I'm going to tell you how to use all of these tools like experts. I mean, you're going to be masters of every tool we use during this process. We're going to talk about what goes into building production apps, everything you need to know, from monetization to the database, all the technology involved, to security, all of it. You will be a master by the end. We'll go over everything surrounding building apps as well, such as how to discover million-dollar ideas and how to market them, get your first customers, create content around it, everything involved, everything you need to successfully build and launch your first application. Why is the focus on Claude Code? Why is this the Claude Code edition? Why is the first edition of this course all about Claude Code? I'm going to be straight up with you. I'm going to be honest. It is the best piece of software I ever used. Hands down, point blank. It is the best software I've ever used. Including every piece of software I've ever used in my entire life. It is mind-blowing. It is the best out there. It is better than any other vibe coding tool out there. Anyone who tells you differently, anyone who tells you, oh, this vibe coding tool is better, that one's better, they're being paid by someone else, they don't know how to use them properly, or something else is going on. I don't even think it's particularly close, to be honest with you. I get the best code out of Claude Code. It is the easiest to use. It is the most powerful. It works the fastest. In every single measurable aspect, Claude Code is the best vibe coding tool out there, and that's why this first course is completely focused on it. My vibe coding journey started on Cursor, but when Claude Code came out, I never looked back because it is absolutely amazing. I have tested every single vibe coding tool out there. I use every single one. I vibe code 12 hours a day for a year straight now. I'm telling you, there is nothing like Claude Code. You are going to be a master by the end of this. It also, even though it is the most powerful vibe coding tool out there, is also the best for beginners, which is pretty amazing. The way the AI talks to you is just incredible for beginners. It's great at guiding you through the entire process of vibe coding. So it is also a spectacular tool from everyone from beginners to experts alike. And also on top of that, at the end of the day, Claude Code's not just a vibe coding tool, it's an AI agent. And mastering how to use this AI agent is going to expand the opportunities so much more in a lot of different ways. So that's the introduction. We have a few more things to cover before we start getting our hands dirty here. In the next section, we're going to go over the mindset you need to know, which is absolutely critical. It's the mindset for using AI. Stick with me through that. We have so much more to cover. You're going to walk away with your brain being 10 times bigger. I can't wait to get into this with you. I will see you in the next video.